Hi everyone. So some of you know why we are here, and for those who don't, so we've been conducting, we've been hosting the Unacademy Educators Week, and every day we are interviewing, some of the educators who are very popular. So today we have Christy Varghese sir, and he will be joining us right now. Hi everyone. Hope you guys are having a good day so far.
Hello.
Hi, Christy sir. How are
How are
you?
you, ma'am?
I'm
I'm
good.
good.
How
I'm
are you
good.
doing?
I'm good.
Are
Great.
you excited for this session?
Yes, very excited. Very excited.
Yes. So we hope your students, or I mean your learners, are here and they'll ask some interesting questions as well.
Yes.
So yeah. So
Ma'am,
before that,
one second. Let me just make sure the lighting is perfect. I think from the background, the lighting is
yeah,
more.
yeah,
Let me just
yeah.
correct it. Just a minute. Okay, I think it is fine now.
Yes, sir. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Yep.
One of the questions that all of us wanted to know is that did you always want to be an educator? Was it something that you knew as a child that you wanted to do?
Yes, I wanted to be a teacher from I don't know when, but it is two when I was like 6 year old, 7 year old, because
Oh wow.
my family is like a family of teachers. My parents are also teachers, but seeing them, I wanted to be a teacher. Maybe that is the reason. But I wanted
Oh.
to be an educator. But an academy educator is something that I haven't dreamt about. That is
Yeah.
like a dream come true, we can say.
Right. So what is it about teaching that you like the most? Like, what is it about the profession, that makes you want to
Uh,
stay?
Teaching is like when we are trying to convince a student who are not aware about that thing, the spark
Right,
that is getting in the eyes, that is
right.
one good thing that motivates us to give more in teaching actually.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So what has been your mode of recreation for the past 6 months? I mean, since the pandemic has started, what have you
Uh,
been doing?
Actually, to be frank, Unacademy is the mode of recreation for me last for 6 months because normally I used to travel a lot. And when I'm teaching, also, I have to travel in different cities in India. And
Okay.
that was a recreation actually, along with my teaching actually.
Right,
But
right.
now, as we can't move out, I am devoting more time to Unacademy, and that is how I am keeping myself live actually.
Right. And sir, how were you as a student? Like, I mean, were you a front bencher? Were you a back bencher? Were you notorious? Like, how were you?
Yeah, I was not a front bencher always, that I'm sure about.
Okay.
Sometimes backbench, sometimes middle bench. Yeah, I don't know whether we can call a backbencher, but but I was not that studious a guy. Let me be frank about it. I was not
Okay.
that studious a guy, not that notorious a guy also.
Okay. So you were
Yeah.
like, yeah, you were okay. You didn't cause any trouble in school, basically.
Not much, but small troubles, obviously.
Okay. Sir, do you have any memories from school that you want to share? Like any memories of Teachers' Day, maybe, or any other fond memories that you carry with you?
Teachers' Day memory, to be frank, I don't have much because in our school it was not like a big event or something. We just
Right.
give roses to the teachers, and that was it actually.
Okay.
But as a memory in college, not like a Teachers' Day memory, as a
Right.
general being a teacher, I want to share a memory of mine.
Mm-hmm.
One particular memory after being the teacher is one of my most favorite teachers invited me to give a talk, and he
Okay.
actually sit throughout the talk to hear me speaking or hear me teaching, and he
Right.
gave a wonderful applaud for that. So that was one favorite memory, not like a Teacher's Day but connected to my teacher. That is one favorite memory I have.
Okay.
So it was
Okay.
a proud moment to
Okay.
teach in front of my favorite teacher.
Oh wow. Oh, I'm sure it
Yeah.
must be like very nice.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, what keeps you motivated? Like, you said that there's that spark that you see, in a student's
Hmm.
eye. But other than that, like, what is it that you like the most about this profession? In addition to that,
In addition to that, actually, we are meeting more people, obviously. For example,
Yeah,
in an academy, we are meeting daily new people, and we are trying to spread our knowledge to them. And I always tell to my students, when we are meeting people, we are also learning, na? So
yeah,
when students wish me Teachers Day, I always say same to you. They may be
yeah,
asking why same to you, because
yeah,
you are teachers to me, because you are actually teaching me something daily. So that
yeah,
is one big motivation, that we are getting more people whom we can learn from. We can learn from anyone. So all the learners that are here daily
yeah.
for my classes, I learn a lot from them. So
Right.
that is one thing that is motivating me to teach more and more.
Wow, I'm sure your learners must be very happy to hear this also.
I hope so.
Yeah. So, is there some advice that you give to your learners constantly, like something that you want all of your learners to follow, and right now also those who have joined us, like, is there some advice you would like to give them?
uh, Advice in the sense, as it is a Teachers Day related event, I will say, because I am teaching in CSAR UGC net category. So
Yeah.
CSAR UGC net is a category which is producing actually professors or lecturers and researchers. So
Right.
for them, the advice I can give is, go to teaching field if that is your passion. Only
Yeah.
if that is your passion. Because if
Okay.
that is your passion, your learners also are going to benefit a lot from you, and you are
Yeah.
also going to enjoy your whole lifetime going behind your passion. Only
Right.
if you love the field of teaching, go for teaching. And if you love the field of teaching, that is the best profession you can take. That is
Right.
one
Right. Right.
common motivation I can give for this Teachers Day.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, we'll play a quick round of rapid fire with you, after which we'll, open
Sure.
up the questions to the
Sure.
audience. So, just be
Okay.
very quick, just be rapid with your answers. So what's your
Okay.
favorite
Sure.
book?
Sure. I will try my maximum.
Favorite book?
Favorite book, Alchemist.
Okay. Favorite food?
Masala dosa.
Okay. Favorite song?
Favorite song, it's actually a Malayalam song. It is like Madagundu Matram Mulakkina Vittugal. That is one song. Ariyade
Right.
Ishtamai, that is another song.
Okay.
So yeah, that is actually Malayalam song. Don't know whether
Yes.
the learners will understand anything.
I do. So, so what's your
Okay.
favorite movie?
Favorite movie, many movies are there. Like Back to the Future is one favorite movie. Inception. Recently, I saw a movie, See You Soon. That is a Malayalam movie.
Okay.
Many movies. I actually a movie buff, so
Right.
many
Right.
movies are there.
Okay. And what is your
Yeah.
favorite subject?
Subject obviously maths. Maths. I teach maths, so that
Yeah.
is the
I mean,
subject.
it has to be
Also English.
yours. Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that's it from our end. I just want, like,
Okay.
if viewers have any questions, please type it in. We will be happy to ask,
Sure, sure.
sir.
I will be so
So
happy to.
someone's asking you to sing a Hindi song.
No, no, no. That is teasing me because they know that my Hindi. When they hear the Hindi, they will have too many things to laugh about. That is why in class also when I speak Hindi, because my Hindi I make many mistakes.
Right.
So anyway, song I don't, I don't want, because I'm not a good singer at all. That is why
Okay.
song I don't want to. If needed, I can speak something in Hindi if they ask.
Sir, I mean, I think they'll be happy to hear you say something in Hindi.
मेरा हिंदी बहुत बुरा है, बहुत मिस्टेक, जेंडर मिस्टेक्स बहुत होता है, मतलब का की के वो मिस्टेक्स है ना, बहुत होता है, इसलिए हाँ इतना काफी है.
I think everyone's
Thank you.
having fun. If you can read the comments, right? Everyone just
Yes, yes, in class also they do a lot.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else has any questions for sir? Which is your favorite place to
Favorite.
travel?
Mm, Actually, I have traveled many places in India, and I have went to Thailand, Nepal, etc. outside India. The
Yeah.
places that I want to travel, Europe, obviously, but I don't know when I can go. But
Yeah.
Europe is one place I want to go.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions from the learners? Sir, I think they're all just like a big fan of you, and they really like the way you speak in Hindi.
Thank you. If so, thank you so much.
So, which is your favorite IPL team?
Mumbai Indians.
Okay. Okay. So what's this story behind pizza party?
That actually, I take a lot of examples with the pizza thing. When I'm
Okay.
teaching aptitude or maths, I try to
Mhm.
relate it with real life examples. So, pizza example is one example I take a lot. That is why they are using the pizza party
Okay, okay,
reference
okay.
there. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay. Any other questions? If not, so can you tell about your family?
Sure. Actually, as I told, my parents are actually teachers itself. My dad is a physics professor, and my mom got retired. She was biology was her, zoology was her specialization, but she was teaching English and science, I think, in school. And I have a brother. Brother is an engineer,
Mm-hmm.
and they have a daughter Eva, and my wife name is Sherin. We call
Okay,
her Sanju.
okay,
She did MBA, and that is it.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, and someone I found a very interesting question. Someone asked, "What is your career struggle story?" Now, I don't know if you want to speak about it, but I mean, I don't
Yeah,
mind
yeah,
that.
I will be happy to, not at all, because that is one thing students ask a lot in class. But I tell that story cannot be contained in one special class or even 10 special classes. That is why I was skipping that story a lot. But to be in short, I can say there was a struggle in the beginning for sure, because I started as being an author. I started my career. Unlike
Yeah,
other teachers be a teacher first and then try to be an author. But for me, it was total reverse actually.
right.
Almost just after my student phase, I started writing, and it took about 1.5 year to publish my first book, that is for aptitude itself.
Yeah,
So that time was the most struggling phase, that we don't have like an income, we have to
yeah,
depend on the family. But at that time we have that feeling now we have to be like earning and
yeah,
looking after ourselves. So that
right.
feeling was there. At that time I wrote this book. By God's grace or by luck, we can say that book got clicked,
The
and
best
that is
selling book,
when I
yeah.
started the teaching career actually. So
Right.
then still 2 3 years a struggling phase, like we have to reach a reputation to go to the next phase. That happened, and step by step it grown. That is what I can
Okay.
say. Yeah, about the author career, I will say initially I had to sell personally. I had to sell a book of myself. That was like I was printing like 10 copies or
So
20 copies of the book, and
you
I wanted to
self-published it.
personally sell that book also. Even that phase I have gone through in my author career. So that is all good to remember that. So
Right.
the career struggle, that is what I can say in short. But as I told, if in long, that will be a long session, like more than 1 hour to complete.
So someone's saying that, you are our ideal.
So happy to hear. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
so
Manushi. Thank you, Gargi.
sir, would you consider yourself like an author first or a teacher first?
That I'm confused about. To be frank, that I'm very confused about, because teaching is something that was there in from my childhood. I wanted to be a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Authorship, I don't know from where it came. Somehow it just happened like an accident, but that is the most lovely accident in my life, I can say. So I don't know. I like to be the author, and I like to write more books.
Correct.
But when teaching career, the time is the most important problem, means important issue, that we are not able to find more time. So definitely I want to keep a balance. Maybe in the future I want to write more. But now the first priority is educator or teacher itself.
Right, right, right. Okay. So did you never have thoughts about being a professor? Did you ever have thoughts about being a professor?
Yes, teacher, as I told, to be a teacher, I had the dream from the beginning, like when I was in school days itself. But I haven't fixed what kind of teacher, whether a school teacher or college teacher or like a private coaching teacher. That I haven't decided. That all happened in the mean course of time. But teacher is from the beginning I had. But
Okay.
it was not specific that I had to teach. I wanted to teach in a college. I wanted to teach in a school. That there was no dream like that. But I wanted to be a teacher.
Okay. So there's another interesting question. What is the most important thing in life according to you?
To be happy, in my opinion.
To be happy. Okay. Sir, and also there
Yeah.
was a question about where did you get the idea to teach Vedic maths from?
Yeah, actually, I teach a lot of Vedic maths in class. That's why they are asking that question, I guess.
Yeah.
The idea came just when I started aptitude, teaching aptitude. I got to know that most of the students are fearing maths. So, from
Right.
the thought that I have to somehow take out the fear of maths, that is how I started learning Vedic maths, learning more about that beautiful system of Indian mathematics. And that is how it started. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sir, and what are your hobbies?
Hobbies, as I told, I watch a lot of movies. And yeah, other than that, reading books very rarely.
Right.
Nowadays, not getting time at all. Movies, we can say the first hobby.
Okay. 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 Is there any other questions that we've left out? How you became
Let
an
me
author?
see. That actually I started studying for this aptitude test and all. At that time, I just
Hmm.
had a different perspective of aptitude questions or different way of explaining it. So actually, my friends
Correct.
motivated me to explain what I know about aptitude or what is your
Hmm.
perspective about aptitude. That is how it started. And there were many teachers also who supported me a lot in that phase actually. That is how
Okay.
I became an author. As I told, author was not at all a dream. That was just an accident, the
Accidental.
lovely accident in my life.
When you went to exam just to see the options probability, there was
That is a funny story that I have told to my plus students that
okay.
when I was not at all prepared for any exams, I went to exams just to mark answers without knowing anything. I always tell that at some point of time we all may have done that. Without
Right.
knowing anything, we may have gone to an exam just to experience what is there
Huh.
in that exam. So
Okay.
in that exam hall, I once thought like how we can make a theory so that even if we don't know anything, how we can
Hmm.
mark some questions right. So that was
Okay.
like in my college days. It was just a mad thought in my mind in one of the exam halls. About that, they are asking actually. That
Okay.
theory
Okay.
is just a silly theory or just a mad theory, we can say.
Sir, I think there's a very interesting question which will benefit all the learners is about your time management skills. Like, what are the tricks?
Mm, uh, time management for to be frank I am not I don't know whether I am managing time well actually,
Okay.
but in my opinion if you're following your passion time management automatically will come actually. Means you will be able to prioritize what is more important in your life and you will be able to find time. Time management as a general advice, time management should be done in such a way that you get enough rest and sleep. That should not be
Okay.
compromised. I
Yeah.
try to do that, but sometimes I fail. That's why I'm saying I cannot be taken as a good example for
Okay.
time management.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any other personal questions that you want to ask? I think we should leave the academic questions for the class and
Yeah, yeah, yes,
yeah.
exactly.
Uh, okay. Sir, have you been attending our sessions and programs that we are organizing for the educators?
Yes, some of the programs I have seen, it is wonderful actually, especially the educators' talents. So,
Yeah.
educators' talents, so it was wonderful actually.
Okay.
And yesterday I have seen this mentalist show. That was also wonderful.
Okay.
It is
Okay. Okay.
wonderful.
Okay. Sir, your favorite Malayalam movie they're asking.
Favorite Malayalam movie, many are there. As I told, day before yesterday, I saw See You Soon. That was a new
Yeah,
movie of
it's a
Fahad
nice
Fasil.
movie. Yes.
That was
Yeah.
wonderful actually.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. I think we'll end the session here. Thank you for joining us and
Sure,
taking
sure.
time out. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you
a
so
great
much,
day.
Vidya ma'am. It
Thank,
was a
thank you.
wonderful session and you are a wonderful host.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining
Yeah.
us.
Thank you all.